This is Brother Saidi of the Malawi VGR office, and I wish to report about the disaster that has hit Malawi. Beginning Saturday evening, it has been a very bad experience in Malawi. The entire southern region of Malawi has been affected by the tropical cyclone Freddy, and Blanda district in particular has suffered a lot of loss, and that includes people's lives, houses, shops, animals, and gardens. Over 200 people have lost their lives, and several injured, and others are still missing up to now. Several believers have also lost their lives, houses, gardens, and many more household items.
Oh, this place was a village. It's been all washed away. You can see on top, that's where the landslide started from and caused all this chaos for these two villages. You can see all those big trees, all those big logs, all those big rocks. They were rolled from the mountain after the landslide. All these logs, they came all the way from the mountain, killing the people, sweeping the houses in the process. At this place there were houses for the school teachers, for this school up here. This is a primary school. And down here there were teachers' houses. But they've all been swept away.
It has been a crisis, as hundreds of people have been displaced. Roads, electricity poles have been badly damaged, causing the whole region to operate without electricity, and in some other district without tap water. This has been a very bad experience, and we still need your prayers. Thank you, and God bless you.